How to put a lock on messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Press and hold the application you want to lock from here. For example, Messages. Here, tap on Require Face ID. This app will now require a Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. Then, tap on Require Face ID again to confirm. You have now successfully locked this app. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. As you can see, Face ID is required to open this app. You can repeat this to lock the other apps as well. This way, you can enhance your privacy and enhance your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily put a lock on Messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.